They'll now set up for the landing. When smoke that's out, there'll be a paramedic on board who will have snakebite venom with them. Little guy. I control the chopper. Just if you do require smoke, I've got a message from. He's put out a ring just shouting you want more smoke. Ask for more smoke. Just for the landing. Coming out now as the chopper comes in. Just to see what the wind's doing. He's going through a very dangerous crevice there. More smoke is out, red again. There's the helicopter coming right in, very, very close. There's the snake. He's holding the snake. Now, the little boy was lying there in incredible pain. Medic is going to go and jump out. Little guy's absolutely suffering there. His father's got the snake. I'm not sure if he put it in a bag. Looks like he did. Medic helping there quickly. The paramedic will give you that information. See that beautiful UE commanded there by Jan Botner. They run from the front. Medic is now helping the fella.